6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube. Today I want to unbox this Voopoo Drag X Pro. It's a first timer on the channel. Don't mind my gloves. It's just I already have one of these, but I have one still in the package, and I wanted to share with you the experience of unboxing this electronic cigarette with you. So let me get my something to open. There you go. So side, there you go. This is the orange, California orange color, as you can see. Very sleek machine. I really like the way it looks, and the battery compartment is here. This one, maybe it was a bad idea to to do it with my gloves on, but you can put in 18650 in this machine, or let me check the other one, or this one, which is 21700. This battery goes in here without an adapter, but if you want to use 18650 battery, then you have to use the adapter that comes with it, which is inside of here. Let me try to get it off, because okay, this is the adapter that you put in the 18650 in, and then you put it inside of the Voopoo Drag X Pro. So I'll just try to put the battery in, the 21700, and turn it on. There we go. That is what it looks like. So I have a new MTL pot here. I use always these kinds because I am a mouth to lung vapor, not this one, because this one comes with it. It is direct lung hits. This one. Well, some people like this, but I don't. I like to use small amounts of vaporizing, so not too much. And in here there is still a USB cable type C. This is the last time I'm using my gloves because it's very slippery. I can't do anything. So I'll put this back in here. So let me put TR1 PNP coil in here. So one of these. You just put this in here. That's it. And then we'll fill it. Let me check if this one is still good. Yeah. I'm gonna use this e-liquid. These are just 2 milliliters, so fairly easy to fill, pretty fast. That's it. So what you do now is you just put it on here. You have to wait a bit because it's priming now. They say around 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Well, to be honest, I just wait a couple of minutes, like 1 or 2, and that's it. I always vape around 9 volts. I don't know how to change. It doesn't change the... No. This one locks. Mode smart RBA. Let me check RBA. That's funny. I can't change the... Normally with this one, you just press... I used to press 3 times and it would change the mode. This one doesn't. I can't find my other battery. Should be around here, but I can't find it. So yeah. Let me get here and a drag. I didn't wait long, but it still is good, fine. Well, that's it. That is for the unboxing of these units. Voopoo Drag X Pro. Really like this machine because it has auto drag. You only just drag it and it's working really nice. It does look red on the camera, but is in real life it is the same color as this one, which is orange. Well, they call it California orange. I like the color and I like the letter that is on here. Very nice because I've been using this one for a long time now, and when I compare them, that doesn't look anything like it's gone off or something. It looks the same. So really nice quality on this machine. What did came off is this underside. You see here there's a rubber and this one came off. Well, still little rubbers on the back side, but when you're putting them on a surface like this one is really, well, it doesn't slide, and this one kind of, the rubbers on the back are holding it still, but this one is more stable. Really like this machine. So if you guys are interested in electronic vape machine, then consider this one because it's really a nice one, really reliable until now. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more unboxing videos like this in the future. Bye.